Hi, thanks for tuning in to Ben Smoking. This is BenBoozing episode number 20. Wow, we made it through 20 episodes. How amazing is that? Shouts out to Mark hooking me up with the Snop Creek 10-year rye. Definitely means a lot. All the channel supporters. It's hard to get a hold of a lot of this stuff and to be able to try them before I make the decision for a bottle buy. I appreciate it a lot. Super cool. Oh yeah, that is darker than the 7-year. Oh, we've been having quite a bit of fun. It's been cool going through a lot of basic staples. Now I'm finally getting to try something with a lot of age on it, the 10-year rye. Really cool. Okay, so I could smell first the spiciness and then corn sweetness. It is the same mash bill as 55% rye, 35% corn, 10% malted barley. At least that's what AI says. They don't really publish what this one's about. Mm, that is candy. Candy, caramel, oaky finish with that apple sweetness, but this thing is whoa. I thought I liked the 7-year. This really does impact a lot more with that extra age. Super cool. I'm liking this. Yeah, not super heavy on the nose. Let's see if we can get her to open up a little bit. Yeah, just sweet balance. Stings a little bit, but I'm not really picking up off of any heavy spice, but yeah, even though there's that rye depth in the back, this thing is smooth candy. It is really, really nice tasting. Yikes. I like it a lot. Thank you, Mark. Definitely, I am ready to try some other ryes. 20 episodes. We did it. Now let's keep digging deeper. We're still going to try some basic staples that we haven't had, but our friends have been hooking us up. So it's cool that I've got a lot to look forward to. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride. It's been a lot of fun so far, and I've been enjoying to find out what I like. I'm liking the ryes. They're pretty good. Thank you for watching. Been smoking. This has been a BenBoozing episode number 20. Be safe. We'll catch you next time.